Hello, thanks for tuning in. It's Rob from Dr.M Studio. Got a fun video for you guys here today. I'm excited. I am trading in my Bobcat E50 with 355 hours. It's got to go. Why is it going, you might ask? Let me give you a brief backstory. I bought it used. It's a 2020 model. It was a rental. It had 311 hours when I picked it up. And great machine, well balanced, runs well. Did some great work for me in the limited hours that I have had it. The reason I'm getting rid of it is because of service. The float mechanism when I'm using the back blade technique isn't holding, so there's a little adjustment on the end of a rod, and I could do it. But when you have a warranty, I thought, well, if they're up in the area servicing another piece of equipment for somebody else, stop by my place, let's take a look at it, and we'll get it done and taken care of. When I did call them and talk to them, I was really surprised. They didn't have any service personnel out in the field, and not because they didn't have mechanics. They don't want to put anybody out in the field. And I was really surprised and disappointed. And when they told me I had to get a plan to get it down there, I came up with a different plan. You have to realize that going down to deliver it, coming back home, going back down to retrieve it, and coming back home, I'm going to have over 10 hours of drive time with where I'm living. So trading it in, and this new excavator and the company has service, and I'm excited about that. So again, I have no disappointments with the Bobcat brand, but I'm really excited about what I'm picking up here. So stay tuned, enjoy the video, and we'll talk to you down the line. this rig know, okay?
It's a 2022 CX57C.
Okay.
Off the truck. This guy in.
And what kind of motor is that again?
Motor.
How many horse on this 57?
65 horse.
Okay.
5 horsepower.
Yeah.
Consider the back of the camera. It's looking at us. It's like I'm sitting at you.
Alright, sounds good.
One of the coolers.
Easy
This
access.
is an forward because I'm chilling out.
Alright.
There's your diesel.
Yeah.
So sometimes in the summer, what you want to do when you're filling the tank, you want to go off of this right here.
Okay.
Not actually seeing it's full up there, because
Okay.
in the summer it
Expands.
expands,
Yep.
and then
Okay.
you can have problems.
Alright.
Down here, your batteries. You gotta
Okay.
unbolt this, take your batteries off. That's your batteries right
Okay.
there. Some of your grease certs right here.
Okay.
Explains right where they are.
Swing gear, swing flexion, boom
Here's your
swing.
serial number.
Okay.
Another grease cert. You know what grease is. Grease is
Yep. Yep.
bearings are not, bushings are. Anywhere there's a sling, there's a bearing, there's a bushing. Down there,
Okay.
down there,
And you got a pamphlet that's got all these marked out on it.
everything. Yep.
Yep.
The whole operator's manual, and there's
Okay.
two operators manual.
Okay. You know, this I did not have on the other rig.
Oh,
I did not have
those
that.
are awesome.
I saw that and went, it's a simple thing, but boy, when you don't have it,
The little things.
yeah,
Most people wouldn't care, but that actually, you'd be surprised
yeah.
how nice it is. If whatever you're picking up,
Right.
instead of putting it on a tooth. And
Well,
it's-
that's the thing. I mean, I was monkeying around with the tooth and trying to make sure that the chain doesn't slip.
Let me show you just a couple of basic things that you can't. Or we
Okay.
can later.
No, that's fine. Let's do it. I figured out the handle.
Well, there's also right here, really nice service instruction. Tells you how often you got to change everything.
Okay. Cool. Excellent. Excellent.
Yeah. Aren't you happy with that?
All right. So I have nobody to fault for myself for getting this dirty now.
Even left a little plastic on it for
I
us.
see that.
So you can probably run a Mini better than me. We don't have to open the door. We don't do that right now.
No. Look at that.
You can lock it in right here. Little sun
Hey,
visor.
that'll take some of the glare off for you YouTubers.
It's actually kind of nice for your put up. Yeah, that's awesome.
Cool.
You got your light up here. There's mirrors.
Yeah, didn't have that in the other rig.
So if you also want, you can put your phone right here,
Okay, that's cool.
which is kind of nice.
Yeah, excellent.
There's a cup holder here.
Okay.
Your hour meters here. These are your defrost fans.
Okay.
Defrost vents. You always want to have those open.
Okay.
Down here, this is how you slide the whole chassis forward,
Okay.
backward. Down here, this is how you raise it up and down.
Okay.
This is how you move the top seat forward and back.
Okay. Oh, I got it. Nice, smooth.
Yep. Obviously, this is operate.
Yep.
You know what that is. There's your temperature controls.
Oh, okay.
Master shut-off switch. That'll just kill the machine right away. It's like a kill switch on a snowmobile or a jet
Okay.
ski.
Sounds good. Yeah.
Oh, man, it's cool. We got some storage up behind you.
Okay. Nice. Excellent.
They have a pretty nice sized cabin.
It's a really nice size cab. I was talking to a guy that was talking about his cat, which he loves, but he just doesn't have enough room. It's a small entrance, and he's a big guy, so.
They did a really good job with these things. They have a big open cab.
So I told him to come by and take a look at it.
That'd be awesome. Right here, so what they do is you can either have the camera on or the camera off. And so one thing, like here's a cool, if you hit the camera, there's the whole rear side. Oh, we got the hood open.
Yep.
So you can see the whole back side of everything.
Okay.
So they got a buzzer stop. That's when you're tracking around. You
Okay.
turn the beeper on or beeper off.
Nice.
That's really nice.
Yeah. Every time on my other rig, it always came on, and you had to push a button on the side, and it would shut it off, and then as soon as you moved again, it would turn on again. So it wasn't a constant shut off.
Right here you got, so here I'm gonna shut this off so you can hear.
Okay.
Got the heater going, feels good.
Yeah, it does.
Here's your throttle.
Okay.
Must be because the door's down or something.
Yeah.
There should.
Or the.
Oh. Try it now. I know it'll throttle up.
It will when we move.
It's
got that automatic idle control.
Idle. So there's idle on. So the reason I was going to show you this.
Okay.
So there's travel modes. There's turtle.
Okay. Okay.
Turtle and rabbit.
Okay.
So there's a rabbit here. There's your turtle. That's how you move.
Okay.
So if you were to it's on us right now, okay? If you want it to rip, it's insane.
Really?
It flies, Rob.
Wow.
That really gets it through. Bumps it up a few RPMs and bumps up the horsepower quite a bit.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you don't use it for a minute, it should idle down. Unless the auto idle. Now this is a feature you can turn on or off.
Okay.
Some guys like it, some guys don't.
Yeah. I don't mind it. If you're in and out for a project all the time.
I like it quite a bit.
Yeah.
Otherwise, so say when you eventually hook up your Bluetooth and stuff.
Yep.
You got your audio, so you listen to music, you can skip, go to the next and stuff.
Okay.
Menu, it's touchscreen, which is nice.
Mm-hmm.
If there's ever a fault code, it's in the active faults. Go in here, there's no faults right now.
Okay.
It'll tell you if there's a code. Hey Henry, my thing is broke down.
Okay. Go in the
this
fault.
code.
Okay.
And we right away then we know what's wrong with it.
Okay.
And then we can bring up the part to fix it.
Okay.
That's a really nice thing. Logged fault, and then mechanic. That's about what they'll worry about. Delete the current fault code.
Okay.
Management, maintenance. So what you can do on these, it's kind of cool. Some guys who are running a bunch of attachments, you can adjust the flow.
Okay.
Say if you're running like a breaker or something like that, you can adjust the auxiliary flow setting. Display, clock adjust, brightness, entertainment. That's just your camera settings.
Okay.
Chronometer setting. I've never messed with that one yet.
Okay.
But it's like a new vehicle. I'll give you the basics, but you got to kind of figure out some of the other stuff.
I know this. I can ask questions too.
Lights down here.
Okay.
The wipers right there.
Okay.
There's your plug-in.
All right.
There.
All right.
The radio. Radio is right back here, but you can also control it from up here. So see it?
Yeah.
What's the station?
97.9. We can do that. That should come in. Okay.
There's your radios back there. Also down here, you can adjust your stations that you're on too.
Okay.
Mode, that'll put it in like AM, FM, or Bluetooth once you pair your phone and stuff.
Okay.
In the operator's manual, it explains how to do it. It's not that hard.
Okay. Yep. Well, here's your ISO and.
ISO and the 21s, I hadn't sat in one in about 4 months. And a 21, you had to manually change it. I wonder if that's how
That's where this.
I wonder if that's it. We'll find out. Run it now.
All right.
They changed that since I've last gone. No kidding.
Yep, that's it.
I just learned something.
Yeah, that's
They
it.
changed that from 21 to
This button right here will change those. Which what do they call it?
They call it ISO International Standard Operation.
Okay. We don't
It was
use,
cat and deer.
we don't use those other terms. Is that,
I use it all.
use cat and deer?
Cat and deer.
Okay.
I always said deer was backwards, but you run it backwards.
Well, whatever. That's what I kind of learned on.
That's
so
what you learned on?
Whatever.
There's a pin here that goes right there.
Oh,
See
okay.
a big hole, and that will lock the boom so you don't ever move.
Okay.
Left and right.
Okay.
Flip that down.
Oh, there
it's
you
like your Bobcat.
Okay.
Move it left,
Oh.
left and right. Now you can swing it. There you go.
Nice. Heel down to the right.
It's pretty cool.
That's really slick.
Oh yeah.
That was on a thumb on the other one.
Really?
Yep.
The E50 was on a thumb?
Yeah, it was a thumb.
I've never seen it on a thumb. I've only seen them on foot pedal. Cool. Yeah, this
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, it's nice
I like
on
that.
and when you don't want to use it, you just flip it up. There's an ashtray there. They still
They'll come in handy,
still
right?
make you with an
Like my gum wrappers and tar and nicotine.
your cup holder. It's right here, and they have a strap.
Oh, a strap.
So that's
Okay.
actually nice. So you
Okay.
can hold it in there nice and tight.
All right. The biggie will fit in there.
Absolutely.
All right.
You got your temperatures. You can figure it out. That one's pretty easy. There's
Yep.
as soon as you hit like the fan on, it turns it on. This is the cycle mode. How you want to cycle it here.
Okay.
It's how you think. They're very simple.
Yep.
You can automatically have it do it.
Yep. You can just set a temperature and just do whatever it needs to do.
Right behind you, Rob, so behind you, stuff to see with the camera. But if you want to go like this flips the seat forward.
Oh, okay.
There's operator's manual, can go here, or you can put stuff back here.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, it gives you pretty good visibility.
Yeah.
Cabs are big in these things. I'll shut the back here for you.
Okay. When the seat leans back. And the seat leans back.
Seat leans back.
They didn't have
Bobcat
that.
didn't?
No. No. Man.
Oh, you'll be amazed. Like you run this thing, you put it in that high mode, it flies.
Yeah.
It rips. And your thumb is right here.